Yeah, Happy New Year to everyone, and today we're going to talk about crypto loans. So this is one of your advantage when you're using Bybit. So basically, I have invested my money and stock my 30%. I don't want to lose my position, but I want to use my money. At the same time, I don't want to lose my position. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a crypto loan, and I'm gonna make use of crypto loans. I'm gonna use that loan to take my AWS exam. So I'm gonna borrow. I already have Solana deposited in uh, BB Solana. That's the minted Solana for Bybit. That's Bybit Solana, and I want to loan 150 US dollars, and it will use 0.8028 of my Solana, invested Solana um in Bybit. So it's not actually going to consume that Solana. It will be a collateral when I pay my loan. That's going to be uh, paid back to me, and I don't lose my Solana position. So this is the collateral amount. I can only borrow 80% of that. If it goes at a margin of 87%, meaning if Solana goes down and the margin call is around 87%, it's going to email me and warn me that I need to add some more collateral because uh, Solana or Biblisol as go down, or I can pay back some of my loans, or uh, yeah, add additional collateral. Um, and then if it hits the 95%, it's going to liquidate the Solana, and then uh, the money will be paid back to my loan. So which is that's not going to happen because I have extra Solana that I can add, and yeah, we're gonna pay this in 14 days, and the interest is going to be that this is the annual interest, so it's just 11.12%, which is very low. That's annual, so that if your daily interest divided by 365, that's a very small percentage. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and borrow. uh, okay, what's going on? Collateral. Oh, it's yeah, just make sure you have money which is either on funding or in your asset, could be in your funding or unified trading. So just make sure you have the correct asset. And then I can borrow now, and then I will have an additional 150 USDT. Okay, yes. And I can now, here's my borrowing, so I can repay. I can adjust collateral, interest history, and things like that. So yeah, I can track my loans from here, right? Um, and then yeah, let's go back to my asset and see what happens. So my fundings has now I supposed to have, where did it go? Am I supposed to have uh, so I have now a total equity of 571 because I borrowed something. Yeah, and it just make 481 now. And I can go to unified trading, and I'm supposed to see 150 US dollars in there, right? USDT there. I have 150, so I'm gonna transfer that to my fundings and all. Transfer unified trading all USDT. Okay. And yep, now I have 140. So my assets back to 817. And now in my funding, I have that, and I can use that uh, as additional money to spend with my card. So I have my card here. So I can use my virtual card, pay my certification, and then pay it back after 14 days with the very minimum interest. So my spending card power is 258 USD, right? So that's how you, and then yeah, I can still uh, earn from this, right? And flexible savings, yeah, let's do that. And then I'm gonna pay back my loan. So the remaining Solana, I can invest it. Um, I can stake the remaining Solana, right? Max. So yeah. So yeah, now I borrowed 150 and I use my Solana position to be used as a collateral. I'm gonna pay that USDT again uh, when I have USDT. So yeah, that's how you do crypto loan. So this is very useful because in that's very harmful when you withdraw your position, right? For example, you invested on uh, Bitcoin goes down by 20% or 30%, and then you're gonna take the exam, withdraw $150 of your Bitcoin, and then by that time you actually lose 100, you lose 30% of your Bitcoin because you actually cash it out. But in case of Bybit, you don't need to cash it out. You just need borrow that money you want to use, and then when you have USDT, pay it back, and then you don't lose your in my case that's Solana, or in your case you're not going to lose any of your coin position, because when you're trading, it's very harmful to you when you have to withdraw resources, or you have to withdraw money because you have to do some urgent payment, or you have to do some urgent purchase, and then you have to withdraw your position, and your position is currently compromised by 30%, and you lose 30% out of your asset. But here we don't lose anything. We can still use our money, just loan it and then pay it back, and our position stays there. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. If you don't have Bybit, please use my referral code down below. So yeah, we can earn a lot of money. There's a lot of rewards from this tool, and that's all for now. That's how you use your um. You can collateral your coins and make loans with Bybit without losing your position. So which is very helpful because we're not losing anything. We can borrow and we can use the money paid in the future without losing our position. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Yeah, hope to see you again for more lecture on this. Yep. And yeah, again, please use my referral code, referral link below. I have a referral link for several crypto exchange. So thank you for watching.